guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've created this smoky glam look. I have paired this look with a simple nude lips as we should stick to one feature at a time. I personally love smoky looks. They are iconic makeup look which looks good on everyone. If you like this look which I have created today, then do not forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon which is right beside the subscribe button. So yeah, without further delaying, let's jump into the video. First I'm going to finish off with my eyebrows. I'm combing my eyebrows over here. Then I'm taking this palette from Beauty Glazed, and with the help of this flat angle brush, I'm taking this light brown shade to fill in my eyebrows. I'm not worried about precision over here because you can see in my next step I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer at the back of my hand, and with a small concealer brush I'm going to clean the edges of my eyebrows so that I get a very neat, precise eyebrows. I'm also applying this same concealer all over my lids to prime my eyelids so that we get a perfect base to start off with this smoky eye look. Then I'm taking this kajal. You can take any kajal you have and just apply roughly on your lids, but do not exceed your crease line. It should remain below the crease line. I'm creating a base for the black eyeshadow which I will be applying later on. Then I'm taking this blending brush to soften out the edges so that it looks a little neat. With the help of this fluffy blending brush, I am taking this brown shade as my transition color and I am applying it onto my crease. Always remember, blending is the main key while creating a smoky eye look. Then I'm taking this black eyeshadow with the help of a small flat shader brush, and then I am applying it over the black base which we have created. Then I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm blending everything in so that we get that smoky effect which we need for this eye look. You can obviously intensify the color according to your choice. Over here I thought of acing up the eye game a little bit. For that I'm using Wet n Wild pressed glitter in the shade Karma, and I'm applying it over the black eyeshadow because I wanted a smoky glam glittery eye look. You can also use loose pigments or you can just leave as it is. For my next step, I am applying kajal to my waterline. Then I will be taking that brown shade and I will be applying it to the lower lash line for that smoky effect. Then I am highlighting my brow bones and my inner corner. For the next step, I am taking a wet wipe and very carefully I am cleaning off the edges so that we get a very clean and precise eye look. You can use a tape instead of doing this step. That would make the work a whole lot easier. Then I'm coating my lashes using this mascara from Maybelline. I'll be applying my false eyelashes off camera and I will be right back. As you can see, it have changed the whole look and I'm just loving the eye look. Quickly I'm going to apply some moisturizer onto my bare face. Then I'm taking this Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Golden Beige and with the help of this beauty blender I'm going to apply it all over my face. Then I'm contouring my jawline and my nose and the hollow of my cheek for that sharp look. Very quickly I'm going to take a quick shower in this makeup fixer. And I'm also applying a little bit of blush because I love applying blushes. Then I'm going to highlight the higher points of my face. Guys, trust me, this highlighter is one of my favorite highlighter. I will be mentioning all the product names in the description box. Please do check that out. Now for my lipstick, I'm going to mix two lipsticks. First I'm going to apply Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha lipstick and then I'm going to apply Maybelline Nude Nuance on top of Wet n Wild lipstick. And yeah, our look is completed.